Oh, good God.
Alright guys, heads back.
Hey, mother.
I hate you so
Are you ready? Does it give you a warning or is it just random? No answer?
Oh, God.
Here we go.
That's bad. Okay, it's fun now.
Oh, it's funny.
I'm like shaking.
That's funny. Oh, that's good. That's a good ride too. Different, eh? Awesome. Oh. So this is the feeling on the other one, but it's pulling you up. It's just
Yeah,
hanging.
that I would rather
It's hanging,
this.
so it feels like you don't know if it's gonna drop at any moment or what.
That's once you get up there, it's okay.
That was funny. Glad we got that video.
Yeah, I don't think I'd be able to do that one. I would do this one again though.